Hi guys, my name is Jordan from Redfield. Okay, today we're going to look at this double-story house in Bandar Puchong. So this is the front porch. First thing you will notice, all the floors is fully tiled. Alright, so the floor ground level is flat and it's fully tiled, and then this is the main door. Okay, you have the awning on top of us. So I will go in front and then we will do a reverse shot. Okay, this is the view from outside. Yeah, currently there are neighbors' car parked down here. Okay, you have the gate, then you have the auto gate also. 1, 2, this is the auto gate machine. Alright, and then you got the awning down here. Why the awning is very important, so when it rains it doesn't make the whole place wet. Yeah, and when it's hot like today, you also got shade. If you want to hang your clothes, you can hang your clothes here. The sun is coming from this side. You can hang your clothes here. You can park your car inside. If not, park outside also can. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go and look at the inside of the house. Yeah. Okay, this is the living room. Yeah, main entrance. You can sliding grill door, push all the way there. Living room. You can fix your TV down here or down there also can. Alright. And then the seller has also done a plaster ceiling. Very nice. It makes the house look very grand. Yeah, and you got a ceiling fan in the middle. Okay. So on the right side is the staircase, 3 up and the rest is straight. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go and see the kitchen. So once you walk straight, you have this door. Alright, very nice decoration. The view. So this is the kitchen area. Let me just do a quick shot. In front is a countertop. Yeah, made of concrete and tiles. Yeah, so you have a lot of space to do your cooking on the left down here, and also double sink to wash on the right. Yeah, so there's a window behind to help with ventilation. Okay, so now after that you have the back door. Alright, back door, and this back door gives you access to the back of the house. So the back of the house is fully closed. There's no car or motorcycle that can come in, so it's also very safe. Okay, so this is a reverse view of the kitchen. A lot of space. You see the 2 plugs there. You can put your fridge down there, and then next to me here, water in, water out, and the plug, so you can put your washing machine down here. Yeah, so if you want to wash your floor, this is the place the water go out. Alright, so very nice. You got the light also, ample lighting. This place is very bright, and next to the kitchen you have the toilet. Yeah, okay, just to show you a little bit. So the back door is here. Come in and then you go to the toilet. So you can wash your hand down here. After makan already or before makan, you can wash your hand. And then if you need to use the toilet, you go ahead. It also has a water heater. Okay, if you want to shower. Alright. So that is the ground floor of this house. Oh yeah, one more thing. They have a ventilation fan to help pull out all the smoke in case you are cooking. So if you are frying anything, all the oil will go out. And one more thing I like to point out. I like that the kitchen here is fully tiled from floor all the way to ceiling, basically on all 4 walls. Yeah, here. See? So it's all fully tiled. Yeah. Okay. So what does this mean? It means that it's very easy to maintain the kitchen. You just need to wipe the tiles every now and then, because when you cook, the oil will be everywhere. So yeah, easy to maintain. Okay. So now we will go and look upstairs. So the owner has actually renovated the house, yeah, to combine 2 of the small rooms into a big master room. Okay, so when you come in, the first door you see on the left, this is the master bedroom already. Yeah. Why did they put the master bedroom behind? Because they like it when it's colder. Yeah, because the sun is in front, so the back room is actually colder. Yeah. Okay. So here is the room. The size of the room. Okay. And then here's the window. You can put your curtains. Yeah. Very private. Okay, another window, aircon, and then you have your master bathroom. Okay. This is the master bathroom. So once you go in, you have the sink and also a cabinet below, and then you have the WC area. Yeah. You also have a ventilation fan on top, and you have a water heater. So this whole place you can actually cover with the shower screen. So it's easy to keep the place dry and clean. See, fully cover everything. Yeah, cover already. Okay, so shower cover finished already. Then open the shower screen. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that is the bathroom for the master. Yeah. So now we will go and look at the second room. Yeah. So on the upper floor, there are only 2 rooms. Right? Yeah. So you can use the toilet there, or you can use the toilet below. So once again, the staircase is here. This is the second room. Okay. You have the window facing the front, and then you have all the grills also. If you need to access the balcony, I mean not the balcony, the roof. Yeah. And then this place you can use to make into a built-in wardrobe, or also additional bed. Yeah. Okay. This is the space on top of the staircase. Okay. So the room is quite wide from here with the plaster ceiling. Okay. Till here. Yeah. So the view outside is of your neighbor's house. Well, let's try to see. Yeah, this is the view. So behind this row of house is already LDP. Yeah, and that way to Sunway, this way to Puchong Jaya. Okay, so that is the end of the viewing, guys. I will walk us down. Yeah, just to recap the house. So once again, kitchen is there. Your living room is here. Yeah, and then you can park your car here, and you can go out lah. So alright guys, if you need anything else, just give me a call, text me. My name is Jordan, I'm from Redfield, and thank you for watching. Bye!